Hello everyone, we are from Tapsi Electromedical Systems and Services. We are manufacturers of electrotherapy equipments in physiotherapy range since 1996. Today in this video, we are here to present you a demo for Tapsi Sabe Mini N14, which is computerized 2-channel TENS for home visit purpose. Back consists of 2-channel TENS device, instruction manual, a pair of electrode cables with 2 rubber electrodes in each cable, a pair of velcro straps, a 3-pin mains cord, and an electrode gel bottle. Plug the mains cord and in the main socket provided on the back side of the device. Plug the mains cord and turn on the switch. Now turn on the switch given at the back side of the device to start. When the device is turned on, first mode, that is continuous output mode with 200 Hz frequency, 350 microseconds pulse width and 10-minute timer are displayed. To change output mode, we can press directly mode button on the device panel. We have 5 output mode, that is continuous, fast burst, slow burst, RAM burst and sweep. So right now is continuous, again second fast burst, slow burst, ramp burst and the 5th mode sweep. We can change frequencies for all output modes except for sweep. In sweep mode we can vary only the pulse width. The frequency is automatically varied from 10 to 190 Hz in step of 5 Hz. If you press the start button, you will see that it varies in the step of 5 Hz. So for other output modes, to change frequency, click on frequency button on device panel. Cursor will blink on frequency in LCD. Vary using up and down arrow key. Frequency varies from 16 to 200 Hz and can be changed in the step of 1 Hz. To change pulse width, click on P/W, that is pulse width button on the device panel. Cursor will blink on pulse width in LCD. Vary using up and down arrow key. Pulse width varies from 50 to 350 microseconds and can be changed in the step of 50 microseconds. To change time, click on time button on the device panel. Cursor will blink on the time in LCD. Vary using up and down arrow key. Time also varies in the step of 1 minute. 0 to 30 minute timer is provided. Now plug the cables in the output socket in channel 1 and channel 2. After selecting all the parameters and placing the electrodes with gel in proper position as per the requirement, press the start button to start the output. Gradually increase the intensity after pressing the start button for each channel. An LED is turned on indicating that the output is delivered. One important point to be noted here is to make sure that the intensity knob is 0 and LED is off before pressing the start button, as it will not start and ask you to make 0. For example, here if I increase the intensity and press the start button, LCD will display adjust intensity level to 0 and buzzer will ring continuously. So always remember to make it 0 before starting and gradually increase as per your requirement. A buzzer rings every time the treatment ends. A stop button is provided to stop the treatment in between or in case of emergency. Always remember to make intensity 0 after completion of a treatment. Now to check if your device is in working condition or not, place some gel on rubber electrodes. Make sure to place your hand covering the electrodes and these electrodes do not touch each other. First place on both electrodes of channel 1, press the start button and gradually increase the intensity. You will feel the current which indicates that the device is in working condition. Similarly, you can check for channel 2. So keep all these points in mind while using TENS, and also go through contraindications and other details provided in the instruction manual carefully before starting the use of device for complete details. Thank you.